Hello, my friends. Today we journey to Brittany, a beautiful region in France, to learn the secrets of their famous buckwheat crepes called Galettes de Sarrasin. These thin, savory delights are a staple in Brittany and are naturally gluten-free. Buckwheat, despite its name, is not related to wheat. It is a wonderful, nutty-flavored seed that gives these crepes their unique earthy taste. They are surprisingly easy to make and incredibly versatile. Whether you prefer a classic ham and cheese filling or a modern vegetarian twist, there is a buckwheat crepe recipe for everyone. So, tie on your aprons and let's bring a taste of Brittany to your kitchen. To make these delightful crepes, you will need just a few simple ingredients, most of which you probably already have in your pantry. For the batter, you'll need buckwheat flour, salt, eggs, and milk. You can use regular cow's milk or opt for almond milk or soy milk for a dairy-free version. For the classic filling, gather some thinly sliced ham, grated Gruyère cheese, and a knob of unsalted butter. You can find Gruyère in most supermarkets. Now comes the fun part, making the crepes. In a large bowl, whisk together the buckwheat flour and salt. Make a well in the center and crack in the eggs. Gradually whisk in the milk until you have a smooth, lump-free batter. Let the batter rest for at least 30 minutes. Heat a lightly oiled crepe pan or non-stick skillet over medium heat. Pour a ladleful of batter onto the hot pan, swirling it to create a thin, even circle. Cook for about a minute until the edges start to brown and the crepe is set. Flip the crepe and cook for another 30 seconds. Now add your fillings. Sprinkle some grated Gruyère cheese on one half of the crepe, top it with a slice of ham, and add a small pat of butter. Fold the crepe in half or quarters. Our classic ham and cheese combination is simply divine, but don't be afraid to get creative. Buckwheat crepes are like blank canvases for savory flavors. For a vegetarian option, sauté some mushrooms and spinach with a touch of garlic. Spread this savory mixture on your crepe and top with a dollop of crème fraîche for a tangy finish. Another delicious vegetarian filling is ratatouille, a French Provençal stewed vegetable dish. Serve your buckwheat crepes immediately while they are warm and crispy. You can enjoy them for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. They are hearty, flavorful, and naturally gluten-free, making them a delicious and healthy choice for any meal.